how to change your birthday on Roblox. Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode. Today I'll be showing you the ways to change your birthday on Roblox. So in order to change your birthday on Roblox, you'll need to first of all have a valid ID. Without that, you'll not be able to make changes with your age. So due to some privacy and security reason, you'll not be able to change your date of birth if you're under 13 years. And in order to verify your age, you also need to provide in your ID. So when you're on this page, you need to tap the three-dot icon, go to settings and tap on account info. While you're on this page, you can just go ahead and select, and while you're on this page, you can see your date of birth or your birth date. So you can just go ahead and select the particular date of birth that you wish to add it, and once you've done that, you can just go ahead and tap the verify my age button. So after that, you'll be able to see a pop-up menu stating that you need to provide in your state ID. Only then you'll be able to verify your age on Roblox. So in this way, you can change your date of birth or birthday on Roblox. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.